Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 10A. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap More. Go to Settings, enter Google Assistant and go to Voice Match. Enable Hey Google. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Tap Finish and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. OK Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.